Hello. So excuse the noise in the background. I've got the washing machine on and the back door open and it's night and yeah, there's lots of noises. But I have got this new wave mould from Into Resin and I am so very excited to use it. It's like a what's it called? The brain is not braining today. Like a crashing wave. That's what this is going to be. So I've mixed some resin, put it through the debubbler, and now I'm going to put my respirator back on and I'll add some alcohol inks, maybe some glitter, and we'll get going. It may not all get filled up today. It's too big to go in the curing machine, so I've got it on my heat mat. The stones are to keep it flat. I also have this beautiful octopus from Into Resin, the crystal one. Look at the shimmer. So if I have enough resin left over, it will be going in there, but it might be that I have to wait for another project to have leftover resin. We'll see how we get on. Anyway, I am going to pause for now and get my respirator and everything on, and I will get on to it.
Resin in the mixer looking fine, crystals shining bright just like a sign. Experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debut's reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights in place. Steady hands but hearts gon' race. First techniques sometimes go astray, but mistakes are just the price we pay. Crystal clear, oh can you see? This journey is a part of me. Mix it up and let it be. Sharing with the world my creativity. Pour it out, watch it glisten and gleam. Colors swirling like a dream. Step by step I'm taking you along. Together we'll make something strong. Learning as I go, no script to guide, but I've got passion deep inside. Hits and views ain't my only aim. Creating art is my real game. Crystal clear, oh can you see? This journey is a part of me. Mix it up and let it be. Sharing with the world my creativity.
Watch the resin flow, let the colors collide. You'll see my visions come to life. Take a look inside my mind. Watch the resin flow, let the colors collide. You'll see my visions come to life. Take a look inside my mind. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. I got so much resin flow, let the colors collide. You'll see my visions come to life. Take a look inside my mind. Let the colors collide. You'll see my visions come to life. Take a look inside my mind. Colors collide where the river flows. I pour ideas and let them grow. The resin hums to its own beat. A wild creation you can't defeat. Dripping freedom, watch it spin. The masterpiece begins within. A dance of chaos, a twist of chance. Art won't walk, it prefers to dance. Break the mold, let it all take shape. Resin does what resin wants, no escape. Swirls of life in a glossy stream, caught in the rhythm of...
Okay. Here we go. I can already see bubbles down here, down the side. But you know what? I wanted to see how it turned out. I'm probably going to end up covering some of those bubbles anyway. How am I supposed to get this out? Oh my goodness. I've done it, I've done it. I did it. Now these are all supposed to be here. Okay, so this is texture from the mould. It isn't bubbles, but it's supposed to intimidate. Intimidate? What's the word I'm looking for? Not intimidate. Anyway, let's move on from that, shall we? It's supposed to look like bubbles. And what a job it's done. I'll show you in here. Don't know if you can see in there, but yeah. That's this texture here. Because obviously when a wave crashes, you get bubbles, don't you? I didn't use quite enough resin to get this bit, obviously. But that's fine. And I'm not minding bubbles in there at all because it's water. It's supposed to look like water. So I'm going to probably do some more with this. Maybe add some white, some glass. I'm not so sure. I don't know. You now have a voice over me. So here I am mixing up some J-Diction high viscosity UV resin. Now I like to use the high viscosity as it's less likely to drip when doing details like this. I will then be going on to add some white pigment paste from just resin and mix it in thoroughly. Got to make sure it's all mixed in. I also add some of the Resin Jewels Twinkle Tints mica in white, which is the same one as I added into the epoxy when I did the wave. Now, I start off with the idea to just simply add the white UV to the wave so it looks like sea foam or froth. I do change my mind, but let's just stick with it for the moment. So what I will be doing once I've got this all mixed up is I apply the UV with a silicone tool and do a quick part cure with my torch. I do put the wave under the big UV lamp every so often to cure thoroughly. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for being here with me for this evening's video. I appreciate every single one of you. So I'm getting a bit carried away here, aren't I? I've explained everything that I'm doing before I've even done it on the video. I'll put a little bit of music on for you and come back.
A brush of light, a drop of hue. Dreams take shape in something new. Swirling skies and oceans deep. In every pore, a secret we keep. Break the mold, let the colors run free. Every piece is a part of me. Shimmer and shine in every line, crafted slow by heart and time. Like, comment and subscribe to join me on this ride, creating magic one pour at a time. Whispers of blue, golden trails, tales of wonder and quiet details. No two the same, each one a spark of fearless hands and a hopeful heart. Let the resin flow where it may, guided by hands and light of day. Imperfection, beauty side by side, in art we never have to hide. Break the mold, let the colors run free. Every piece is a part of me. Shimmer and shine in every line, crafted slow by heart and time. Like, comment and subscribe, be part of this design. Together we'll create one pour at a time.
And you have voice over me again. Now let me explain a little bit about what I decided to do with this wave the next day. I didn't film too much of it, so I just want to explain a little bit now while we watch me fuss around with this. Now, I filmed me explaining about my idea in the wrong format. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So that part of the video does look a bit different, and you have my apologies. So, spoiler alert, I decided to do the bubble technique on this wave, and some of you will have seen on my other platform that I've used it a few times with pendants. For anyone that isn't familiar with this technique, let me explain. It's a simple technique which involves a bowl of water and some washing up liquid. You apply some UV resin to the piece, then create bubbles with the water, like with a straw. And yeah, once you are happy with the size of the bubbles, you scoop some out with a spoon and gently place them on the uncured UV resin. As soon as you've done that, it needs to go under a UV light. Once cured, you're left with an awesome pattern, which just needs a light dab with a dry cloth to remove any residual water. I'm so glad I thought of this. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Like, it couldn't have turned out better. Hello, I have my little setup ready to carry on with the wave. So I have done some of the white already, but then as usual, when I was falling asleep last night, I had what I think is a brilliant idea. Others may disagree, but do you remember ages ago when I did that bubble technique? You know, I blew the bubbles onto the resin and then put it under UV, and it just gave it. Do you remember that? Well, wouldn't that look cool on there? Don't you think? I think so. So I've got my trusty J diction ready. So when I got the bowl of water ready with the washing up liquid in to do this, I accidentally knocked it and it went in the pot of the UV and white that I'd already made, so now I have to make another one. And then my sister bought this for me. Look, it's got my initials on it. How cool's that? So I'm going to use that to try and say, I mean, this might go really badly, but we shall see, right? Life is just an experiment. So wish me luck. Okay, bye-bye.
Resin in the mixer looking fine. Crystal shining bright just like a sign. Experimenting new things on the fly. My YouTube debut's reaching for the sky. Got the camera rolling, lights in place. Steady hands but hearts gon' race. First techniques.
Oh, here we have it. Might get a visit from the cat in a minute. He's just here. But yeah, what do you think? I'm very happy. Cat seems to be as well. So yeah, I'm very glad that I thought of using this technique. Makes a whole lot of difference to it. But yeah, more waves will be coming soon, without a doubt. So please do like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, please. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.